Now we're going to use a tool called a router, and that is going to round out the hole in our nesting box so that the birds have a nice, comfortable, roundish place to go in. The board is being held down by a clamp, if you notice. That'll hold it really tightly in place while the tool is working. Let's see how it works. Awesome. You notice that? It's kind of rough. There's some sawdust and from the drilling. I'm just going to round it out. Every tool has its special purpose. Thanks for sharing all this with us, Mark.